Alright, so here's my face shield for my bike, and it uses these button snaps, right? These button snaps, but over time, as you take the unsnap, the parts here basically gets worn out, and it pull it off. So you can see the difference between this one right here and this one. So the snap part of it, you know, the part that grabs onto the other and pull it off. So I tried to repair this, but it didn't work. It just broke off, you know. Because once it gets messed up, it's basically a downhill battle there. So I'm gonna remove this old one here. So squeeze this together so I don't damage the plastic underneath. Let's see if I can make this work. Oh shit, I just dropped my box there. Oh, that didn't work. Let's see. Kind of scratching up my plastic a little bit, but it's better than plastic scratching here. Is not so bad because it's, you know, it's not in my line of sight, so I'm not so worried about it. Man, just mangling it up. I can see it breaking apart. Not coming out. Maybe I should have taken a cutters and cut this instead. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it came out. All right. The plastic's still intact. It's all scratched up, but still intact, so that's good. So the reason I'm doing this here is because I want to use this anvil on my vise. Okay, so that's off. So let's look at my new parts. So this is what I got. Got this at the hardware store. Outdoor Supply Hardware. Not Orchard Supply Hardware, with Outdoor Supply Hardware. So this is what it comes with. This is double-sided. Depending on which side you want to do. You want to do the snap side or the button side. So you need the little whatever this thing is called. So here's the top of the button right here. So it has a dome, right? So that's why this side right here has a dome. See how it's domed, and this other side doesn't. It has a steps. So this side is domed, so it goes onto that side. Let's see. Let me show you guys the one with the step. The one with the step is this end right here. So this end mounts onto the step. You go like so, where the step is. Mounts onto the step like that. So I won't be using this side. I'm only replacing one side. So back to the dome side right here, and the little female snap right here. So the dome side and the female snap are the two sides that goes with each other, right? And the other side was that step side, and on the male snap. Let's see, where's the male snap? The male snap is right here. So that's the male snap. So these two go together, like so, like so, like that, and these ones go together like so. Then once you take this and you hammer it out and mushroom this out, so that way it holds both sides, then the two could snap together. But this side is on my helmet is fine, so I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to use the female snap side. Right, so let's try this, see if it works. So this side, this dome side right here, was on my little piece there. Where's my shield? So I have my shield here. Make sure the shield's facing the right way. We'll snap on the right side, like so. Like that. And this side goes on like that. Like so. this way here, just like that. Just basically just put it in there, hold it down like so. Little hammer. So I'm going a little bit at a time. Don't want to overdo it. Maybe just heavier hammer. Just getting it there. Yeah, I think it's heavy then. I think it's pretty much in. Feels like it is. They're supposed to mushroom this inside here, mushroom it out a little bit, and actually, as the side, the middle in here, when it mushrooms out, it curves like so, right? So basically, you have the two ends coming together inside. Then when that mushroom in the middle pushes it out, the two ends curves it out. So that way, that's how it stays on there. So this looks like it's on. It's not even spinning in here. Okay. You see these old ones are here. They're flapping around because these old ones are, well, they're worn out. They used to be tighter, but now they're worn out because each time I pull it apart over so many thousands of times, they basically slowly separate apart. And this one, since it's new, it doesn't move at all. I probably maybe hit it a little bit too hard there, but let's see if this fits. Fits the old snap, so this is the female size. Let's see if it fits on my helmet on the male side. So here's my helmet. Let me get it on the screen. So here's the helmet, and you see the snap right there. Let's take it apart. So got my helmet apart right there. All right. So I only replaced one snap. The snap that broke. So basically that's. Let me snap this other side over here. So this one right here is the one that broke. So let me see if this fits in. Hopefully it does. Oh, it does. It fits. Sweet. Sweet. Okay. It's fixed. That way I don't have to buy another shield because each one of these shields are like, oh, I don't know, $25, $30. So all I have to do is just replace the snap. And it's done. I mean, it doesn't quite match the color, but that's fine. It works. As long as it works, all that matters. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.